Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week we have the Majorette Volkswagen Golf on the turntable. This 1/60 scale model was issued by Majorette France between 1978 and 1985 and was based on the Golf Mark I, which was produced by Volkswagen between 1974 and 1983. This model was red when it came out of the factory, but one of its owners went to town on it with a marker. First in red and finally in black. The whole model as well as the windows have been painted over. The rear hatch is slightly bent, so that needs to be addressed also. The Golf Mark I was produced in a variety of colors as illustrated here in the original catalog. A nice opportunity to give this model a new color code and some extra detailing. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The parts come out of the detal. The black marker is completely gone, but the red is putting up quite a fight. Even isopropyl alcohol is almost no effect. This is very strong ink. The only way to remove it is by using a magic eraser. This works as high-grade sandpaper, and even then it takes me half an hour to remove all the red paint from the windows. The magic eraser left all the windows dull, so I go over it with 2000 grit sandpaper and then polish them with plastic polishing compound. On closer inspection of the front grille, I notice a very small piece missing from the front bumper on the right. I use a toothpick and Italeri modeling putty to fill the gap. Then I sand it down until the bumper is complete again. This also means that I need to paint this part. I use Emerald 33 matte black to give the front grille a black coat. Let's have a look at what we started out with. The Volkswagen Golf is a legendary car and nearly every diecast brand had a model in their range. This Majorette version suffered quite some abuse by its previous owner. Once red when it came out of the factory, the entire car, including the windows and wheels, was painted black with a marker. This came on top of a layer of red marker which apparently was baked into the windows. The bent rear door looked to be the least of my worries. And here is the Volkswagen Golf after restoration. The lemon yellow, one of the factory colors from the catalog, looks great on this car. It was a lot of work to get the red marker from the windows, and I'm amazed at how clear and spotless they turn out. The detailing really brings this model to life, even more than when it was brand new. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick that notification bell. If you want to support my work, you can become a member on my Ko-fi page. Members can download all the decal files I made for my earlier projects and receive exclusive access to a gallery of my upcoming restorations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.